by dry grass or wood shavings. All right, that's looking good. I made a little guy. Hey, Hank, don't get distracted. Oh, right, I wonder if I made enough tinder. Kindling is medium-sized sticks that help the fire get strong. Pretty easy to find. You just, oh no, it's bees. Run for your lives! Fuel is the big wood pieces that make your fire burn bright all night. You should use dry wood that's already fallen, like this. Just have to get it back to camp. Whoa! Okay, that worked. We have our materials. It's time to build the campfire. I found a safe place here on the beach. Your fire should always be away from trees or anything else that could make it get out of control. So, I don't just want to make a pile of wood. There are different ways to build a campfire. All of these have a